All right, welcome back to the channel. I made a presentation. This is going to be my top 4 reasons most affiliate marketers fail and how to succeed. Bear in mind, I've made over $500,000 with strictly affiliate marketing. A lot of that was with Warrior Plus products, low ticket items. I've sold my own courses, done multiple YouTube channels. These are the top 4 major reasons why most affiliates actually fail. What you're going to learn in this video is how lack of focus due to shiny object syndrome causes affiliates to fail. Perfectionist paralysis and inaction causes people to not take action and make gains in their business and in their affiliate marketing business, right? Incorrect traffic strategies and costly mistakes, lack of consistency and quitting too soon, proven success framework for affiliate marketers. So the lack of focus due to shiny object syndrome, this one really hits home for me because I actually did go quite a long time, years of just buying the next product, $7 product, $10 product, $15 product, and just kept buying those sometimes multiple days in a row or once per week, probably spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars over a span of a few years when I first started out. That's where most people actually fail. They keep buying the next thing. It's called shiny object syndrome. If you find yourself in this, you need to take a step back and analyze your portfolio of what products you've actually purchased. Which ones did you actually really try? I'm willing to bet that you haven't spent 3 months on one strategy that you bought to see if it really works. So that's one of the secrets. It's not always a bad product. Sometimes it's just that you didn't give it enough time. We all want a magic pill, a magic button to push, and it just doesn't exist. I promise it does not exist. We feel good for a moment when we buy that product. It is like a little dopamine rush. It makes us feel excited for the day. But at the end of the day, guess what? You're still going to have to open up that product, watch the content, learn how to set up your accounts, learn the strategy, and actually work. Even if it's software, you're still going to have to learn how to use the software and put it to action. And that is one of the biggest mistakes people make, is that they continue to buy products and they don't become they're just continuing to consume content, but they're not doing anything for themselves. So that's the big one, right? And you risk of spreading your efforts too thin, right? So using many traffic sources, this is about the temptation to try multiple traffic sources. When you do that, instead of just focusing on one thing, like me, I focus on YouTube and it's paid off very well for me. And I'm not even like a viral YouTuber. My biggest channel has 20,000 subscribers on it. You don't have to have millions or hundreds of thousands of subscribers. You don't have to have a lot of views on your videos. You just need to introduce consistency. And when you go and you're like, I'm going to do Pinterest, I'm going to do YouTube, a website blog, hire an SEO guy, Instagram, Facebook, you completely dilute any way of actually becoming an expert and actually really learning how to do really well with one traffic source. Try this first. Become really good at one traffic source, and then you can add another one to the mix. But you don't need all the traffic sources when you first begin. So that's another mistake people make. Constantly switching strategies without giving them time. This is a big one. It's the impact of frequently switching. It goes into shiny object syndrome. What's today's product? I'm going to buy that. Oh, that's pretty cool, but I guess I don't really want to do that. And then you move on to the next product. And it just becomes this cycle, and this cycle that you're actually wasting time, wasting money, and you're not getting any results in your business. The importance of consistency is crucial to allow strategy time to produce meaningful outcomes. That's exactly what I just said. It's not always the product is bad. It's just that you didn't give it 3 months to see if you can make your first $5 with that strategy, right? And then the value of patience. We've got to be patient, give it enough time to actually give it a true analysis. Am I getting traffic? I am getting clicks. This product isn't selling. Cool. I need to switch the product out, right? But if you don't have any numbers, you didn't give it enough time, then you're not going to have any numbers, and you're just going to think that the product is bad or the strategy is bad, when in reality, it's not always the case. The importance of mastering one proven method before expanding. Focus on one method, mastering a single marketing or traffic method, ensuring a deep understanding and effective implementation. I mastered YouTube in a specific way to make money with affiliate marketing with low views and small YouTube channels. And that's kind of my thing that I teach in my school community. There's a link below. Go check it out. It's not going to stay at this price right now. I want to get in about another 20 students, and then I'm going to lock it back up and the price goes back up. It's normally $97. When you click on it and check it out, you're going to be like, wow. We have 50 to 100 hours of live calls, coaching, anything you want to know about affiliate marketing, from a multi-six-figure affiliate is inside the program. You want to be able to build confidence with the strategy that you choose as well. Developing expertise in one area builds confidence for future expansions and new ventures. A strong foundation from mastering one method supports scalable and sustainable business growth. You're going to make money in your business because you mastered a certain way to do affiliate marketing. If you actually do that and prove that it works and you get results, guess what? You get to go out and teach people how to do that as well. So it's like a double whammy. It's very powerful. You get to make money as an affiliate, then you get to teach people and sell courses on how to do it as well. Really fun stuff. So you get to double your income by educating people about it as well. So perfectionist paralysis and inaction, spending excessive time trying to perfect strategies. Perfectionism causes delays. Focusing on perfecting every detail before starting leads to wasted time and missed opportunities. Real progress is achieved by taking action and learning from experience rather than waiting for flawless conditions. I have a lot of students that come in, and it pains me to see them where they may join my community and they've been there for like 3 months and haven't even put up one YouTube video. And that's the whole point of joining. I teach you how to do faceless YouTube. You can get on camera like I am right now. That's what I choose to do on this personal brand, but you don't have to be on camera. I've done thousands of YouTube videos. Take me off the screen and imagine I'm just doing this PowerPoint presentation for you. It's just as powerful. You don't need to be on screen. I've even done analytics. When I'm on camera, it doesn't matter. I don't get any better watch time, click-through rate, nothing like that. The information, especially when you're doing tutorials or software reviews, is the most important part. They're going to stay because the information's so good or whatever, right? They want to see that review. They don't want to see your face. It pains me to see when people don't even get started. You don't even have to be on camera the way that I teach this stuff. And I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this. And people don't get started because they're like, oh, I think I talk funny, or I have an accent, or this or that. They make those excuses to not get started. And then eventually the video is not good enough. I'm not proud of it. I'm not going to put it out there. It's unfortunate for them because while they're in this perfectionist paralysis, they could have published like 10 videos and gotten results and gotten views and make sales, right? Instead, they're still on that one video that they're continuing to go back, do more video editing, redo the video. It's not right. Like, sorry. Probably your first few videos when you put it up, you're not going to get that many videos anyways. You don't have a giant audience. You don't need powerful video editing. Things don't need to be perfect. You just need to get content out. Overanalyzing and seeking the perfect offer or setup, you run this risk of overanalyzing, and sometimes you don't even know if it's going to hit, right? I have someone in my community that created 2 videos last week promoting a Warrior Plus product. The week before they made $100. This week they didn't make any money. They didn't make one sale. Sometimes that's just the way the business goes. You can't always pick the perfect product or perfect vendor. You just have to try to learn as much as you can from the information that's in front of you. Oh, this is why that product didn't perform, or this is why I didn't get sales, is because that product actually underperformed and no one made sales from the product. Or if there was a lot of sales of that product and then you go and look at it and you're like, oh, it's because my video is ranked to number 20. How can I rank my video higher to get more views so I can get sales? We do have information, but you won't get that information if you're stuck in analysis paralysis, okay? If you're stuck in perfection paralysis as well. So don't be that person. Don't stay in a non-action state. Embracing action over perfection for faster learning and growth. So prioritize action taking. After doing over 3,000 YouTube videos, it's clear that's my number one thing, is just get videos out there, take action on a daily basis. Focus on taking action quickly rather than waiting for perfection to start progress. Analyze your results and optimize continuously. So when you learn something, the light bulb goes off, cool, just keep doing more of that. So common misconceptions about needing expensive ads or big followings. Successful marketing does not require expensive advertisements to gain traction or generate leads. Over $500,000 of what I've made, pretty much 99% of what I've made online has been with free organic traffic. You don't need to go to Facebook ads and spend $6 for a lead that's not going to buy anything from you. You just need to get started on YouTube, put out real content that's helpful to people, gain a following, and it will be a slow process at first, like a snowball. It'll get bigger and you'll start making more sales. But you don't need to go out there and spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on advertising that you're not going to make your money back on. Wasting resources on advanced tools before mastering basics. You don't need to spend $100 on ClickFunnels. You can go to system.io and they'll give you 2,000 email customer contacts for free. They'll let you build your first lead magnet. They'll let you email your list. They'll let you do everything for free. We live in a world where there's tools out there that you can actually do it for free. You don't need to get all the expensive cameras. You don't need a $1,000 camera to get started. Guess what? I've got a $1,000 camera. I could literally show that to you right here. I'll actually put it up here. Here's the tripod, probably $100 tripod, $1,000 camera. And guess what? I don't even use it. I'm using my webcam right now. It's a 4K webcam. It gets a pretty good picture. And it's just a pain to handle all that stuff. Handling a nice camera, video editing, and all that doesn't actually pay the bills. What pays the bills is taking action, starting with organic traffic and free tools. So I basically just went over that. Lack of consistency and quitting too soon. This is probably the biggest thing that I see people make mistakes with. The danger of giving up just before seeing results. The need for patience. Success in affiliate marketing demands sustained effort and patience over time. Risk of early quitting. Giving up too soon can cause missing future breakthroughs and rewards. You might just be one video away from like, oh, wow, I got 6 sales from this video. This stuff freaking works. Let's go, right? And then you're ready to make your next video. You just need that one first sale to really light the fire. It's very exciting when you make that first affiliate sale. It does become fun. You can gamify it for yourself, right? But if you give up, you put out 5 videos, I didn't get any subscribers, I only got 12 views, I didn't make any sales, this doesn't work. This isn't going to work for you. And that's why there's so much room for the person that's actually willing to go the distance and continue creating content even when there's no views on their channel. When you can break through and be that person, defies the odds and defies quitting and just continues to break through, focus on consistency and patience, things will work out for you and you'll start getting sales and getting results. Impatience with slow progress and abandoning strategies early. I went over this, goes back to the shiny object. You could have bought 3 products this week, opened one up, read the PDF guide, or watched the course, and you went out there and maybe made a TikTok video, you put it out there, and then the TikTok video got 12 views or 100 views, you didn't make any sales, then boom, it's off to the races to the next product and you just buy the other product. But guess what? If you actually focus on that one product over the next month or two, chances are you will find success on one of these strategies that you are trying to do. Committing to consistent effort and viewing failures as learning opportunities. So regular effort over time builds skills and leads to gradual improvement in any affiliate marketing journey or endeavor that you're in. Viewing failures as lessons allows refining strategies and fosters personal and professional growth. The proven success framework for affiliate marketers: adopt a help, don't sell mindset. And this is what's made me hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? So genuine assistance when you make videos. Prioritize authentic help over aggressive selling to build meaningful connections with your audience. Do software tutorials. Don't push the product. Don't say every product is good. Give an honest run. I've made a name for myself in the software review space where I tell it like it is. I try to give as unbiased of a review as possible and rate them. If it's a bad review, I'll give it a 3 out of 5. I'll give it a 2.5 out of 5. If I really liked the software, I'll give it a 4.5. I'll give it a 5. And that's why people keep coming back to my software reviews, because I'm helpful, unbiased, and honest about what I'm seeing in the software. Even when I really love a software, but there's just so many bugs, I can't use the software, I can't push this product, then I'll tell my audience about it. So when you're doing that and you apply that attitude and mentality to any of the videos you're creating, including affiliate marketing or anything like that, you're going to build that know, like, and trust factor. You're going to build trust. You're going to get higher conversions. When a product hits, everyone's going to flood to your link to buy it because they're like, oh, wow, David put out this review. It's an amazing software. He spent his time and put out this awesome, fantastic review. I'm going to click his link and he deserves the commission, right? Your customers will be glad and happy to support your channel by clicking on your link when they know that you are authentic and trying to help them as well. Using a simple commission formula to drive results. Of course, you want to track any of your traffic, your performance, sales that you're getting, so you can make better informed decisions for the future. Leveraging community support and accountability for long-term success. So I encourage you to join a community or find a mentor that can teach you the right ways of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing communities offer encouragement that helps maintain motivation over time. Accountability benefits. You're going to get accountability in a community. Instead of just buying a course, you're all alone. You don't have anybody to ask questions to, see what other people are doing, what other people are struggling with, and so forth. That's what I believe a community is really helpful when you're trying to learn this affiliate marketing business. Knowledge sharing communities facilitate knowledge sharing that drives learning and business growth in affiliate marketing. In conclusion, avoid common pitfalls, steer clear of the lack of focus, perfectionism, poor traffic strategies, and inconsistency to boost success. Embrace proven, tested strategies and frameworks to build a strong foundation for affiliate marketing. Finally, stay committed. Consistency and dedication are key to achieving long-term affiliate marketing goals. And so if you want to join a community that has all of that in it, this community we're almost going on the 2-year mark right over here. You can see on the leaderboard, we have people sharing their journey. Gary came in just a couple of weeks ago. He's already on the 30-day leaderboard right over here, and he's already made the top 10 leaderboard of all time. I can show you the classroom real quick. You'll get the YT Affiliate Blueprint. This is a 3-hour course. You click on here. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a content plan and get started with your YouTube affiliate marketing journey. I can show you how to do launch jacking from a top 1% Warrior Plus affiliate. I can show you exactly what I do, how I build bonuses, how I pick out the right products, how I rank my videos, and how I actually make money like clockwork whenever I want to. The Zoom calls is just crazy how many calls we have in here. Anything you would ever want to know about affiliate marketing are on these calls right over here. And you can see we're very consistent with our calls right here as well. So this is what you get in the classroom. You get case study where I build a YouTube channel from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers right in front of you, just to show you that I can put my money where my mouth is. Anytime I want, I can actually start a YouTube channel and grow it if I want to. Course creation, if you want to create your own courses, I show you how to, don't spend 3 months creating a course, but you can actually take this course and create a course in a matter of a couple days. This is like a 3 or 4 hour course, everything that I know about course creation right there. Really good stuff. And then I also have bonuses in here. These bonus courses are Small YouTube Big Profits and PLR Profits Academy, some of my top selling courses. Small YouTube Big Profits is actually cool because it's my very first YouTube channel that I got started on back in 2019. I had 500 subscribers and I was able to make $13,000 from selling a course with just that many subscribers. So golden nuggets all throughout here. And then finally, the most important thing, we even have the calendar. You'll be able to come in here and see when our next calls are. We actually have live Q&A calls, and then you can see all the people making affiliate commissions in here. You can go in here to the quick wins section and see everything that I'm doing in my business. Almost $13,000 in PayPal right there, 800 videos. I show you how to publish videos very quickly, how to get your first affiliate payouts. I can show you how to make $1,300 a day, how to end up on leaderboards. If you want all of that, come and join the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. Link below right now. It's the lowest it's ever been, so go check it out. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next video.